Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has interesting features and the drawing is this. We start by creating this revolving volume with dimensions 72, 62, 45 degrees, 6 and radius 36 comes from this diameter. Let's start. New standard millimeter SIPT, new sketch XY plane, and now let's draw some lines. This is the first, then press the left button of the mouse and go right here, left, sloped, close. You can apply close with this option. This is a center line and we place dimensions 45 degrees, 72 is this, and 62 this, and dimension of 6 the last dimension must be, here is perpendicular. This arc is perpendicular on this line. In other words, this point, the center, must be coincident with this. Finish. Revolve. Okay. Now we have to create this cut of 65 degrees. You see here this face. To do this, we use the plane XY for a new sketch, F7, project, we project this sloped line and we draw a line starting from this point to somewhere here, the angle is 65. We don't care about this because we use this line to make it an axis. You see, this is an axis now. Then we place a plane by selecting this and this axis. The angle is okay, 90 degrees. Okay, then we apply split of this by using this plane and selecting this direction of the cut. Okay. We hide the plane, we hide the sketch. We also hide the axis. Next is this arc with dimensions 75, 150. There is another arc here, but tangent with the other. Dimensions of 55 and 80, and also 24. We use again the XY plane. We project this sloped line to have a point here, but this must be construction. Then we draw an arc. The first is with the radius 75, and the next is with the radius 150. The two are tangent. Dimensions, this is 55, this is 24, and the last is 80. I move some dimensions to be nice, and we have this arc. Finish sketch. Then we create this arc with dimensions 5 and 30 between that two points. We create a new plane based on this line and this point. Then we create that arc, F5 to see better what is here. We project this point to be in the plane. Then we draw an arc starting from here, going here, and containing this point. The midpoint of that arc is already here. Let's see. We place this dimension of 30, then we place on the same horizontal the axis is Z, so we select vertical to apply a horizontal. Dimension from one end to the center point, or projection of center point, is 5. Let's see once again where is, you see here is below this, so we have to find this is the center to be coincident with this. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Then we apply sweep of this arc as an open entity. Then Inventor waits for us to select the curve. The curve is this. Okay, we hide this. We apply a succession of keys from the keyboard. You know it. Alt F-I. Why? Because I want to select high contrast to see the result. You see? Good. Now we have to create these two entities, a line and an arc, placed on this face. This means that we have to create this plane in order to draw that lines, entities. This is 20 in the center, and on this side we have to subtract 5. This is the face. Let's do this. We create a plane based on 1, 2, 3 points. Then we apply auto resize to this plane to see better what we have here. We use this for a new sketch, F7. We project this arc, this line, and this line. Then we draw a line starting from this point along the other on a length of 20 minus 5. Then we keep pressed the left button here and we go to this line. The last is this line. Then we make construction these two. We have a close contour here, so that we can, but I forgot this arc, the dimension of that arc, which is 250. 250. Good. Now we use patch to create a face here. Okay. Then, having this, we apply mirror of the last feature about XY plane. Okay. Now you see the result. We have to add other patches. This is patch on this face, on this curved face, and on the bottom. Let's start with this. We use the same plane from before we make it visible, then we create a new sketch here. We project this line and this line, and we draw a connection between their ends. Finish. I hide the plane and I apply patch by selecting this and this. Okay, other patch is on this face. We project this, this and this, and we connect this end with this end. Finish sketch. Once again, patch this and this. Okay, only this is missing. To create it, we use 3D sketch and we include geometry 1, 2, 3, 4 entities. Finish sketch, patch here. You see? Okay. Now we want to use all these 6 patches to create a volume. We do this by using the tool Sculpt. We select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last is this 6. This one. We have 6 markers. Yes? Okay. We have the volume, my friends. We have to apply fillets around this last volume with a radius 5. But before, Alt F(I) in succession to go back to presentation with our object. Then we select this 5, also this, also this, also this. Okay. If you take a look here, you see thickness 1.5 all over. All this object is a shell. Yes? Without this face and the bottom face. All the other are 1.5 thickness. We apply the tool shell. It is inside 1.5 millimeters, and select faces to be eliminated. This one and this one. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. We don't change anything here. Cancel. Material. The material is polypropylene, you see, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.